what is the hobby for you? Do you enjoy playing? Then tons of people play with unpainted models. No big deal. You're not in the minority in that regard. If you consider yourself a painter, then yeah, you got to get on that. If you're a gamer or even a modeler, you just enjoy putting models together. Yeah, that's fine too. I mean, again, like, see, that's why I don't really subscribe to the idea of pile of shame. I don't agree to pile of shame because you bought those models, you spent the models, it made you happy. And if you enjoy assembling them, and that's all you enjoy doing, then by all means. I have a friend. He's got thousands and thousands and thousands of points worth of models assembled and primed. Last time we talked, he barely plays. He just enjoys the modeling aspect of it. And that is fine. That's the hobby for him. So even if he had closets full of boxes of unassembled, it doesn't matter. It's his hobby, and he's going to do it the way he wants. And it's as simple as that. So again, I don't subscribe to the pile of shame idea, because the shame implies that you are feeling some sort of guilt over your purchases. Now, if you have bills to pay and you're not paying them because you're buying miniatures, that's a bit of a problem, right? But if it was your money, you know what I mean, and bills are paid, and kids are fed, and all that, yeah, spend it however you want. If you want to buy just boxes of miniatures, stack them all up and put them on top of your head, I mean, go right ahead. I mean, like, it's your life, it's your money. Do what you like.